Welcome to the video on how to package your orders. Packaging your orders correctly helps ensure your product doesn't get damaged. This means less chances of returns or lost products. When packaging your products, it's important to make the right decisions right from sourcing packaging material all the way until delivery. Let's look at how to ensure the best packaging for your orders. 1. How to select the right packaging bag for your order. There are 6 standard packaging bag dimensions that are available in the market. Place your product on top of each size and pick the one that best fits your product. Make sure that it's neither too big nor too small. Packaging bags and other packaging material like tape should not have any branding on it. Your packaging should be completely white. 2. How to choose the right material. Let's start with bags. Polythene bags, which are durable, waterproof and unlikely to tear, work well for soft goods that are not fragile. Clothing is an example of goods that may be safely sent in polythene bags. Other products might include soft toys, pillows, or similar such items. While choosing the right packaging, ensure the plastic selected is of 50 microns. If the product you're shipping can be damaged by water or rain, we suggest getting sealable plastic bags to wrap your items before you put them in the box. Let's move on to boxes. All non-apparel products that are breakable require a double-walled corrugated cardboard box. Corrugated boxes are both strong and lightweight, making them the best choice to ship your products in. Corrugated boxes often have burst and crush ratings. They indicate the likelihood of the box bursting or being crushed under the weight of other heavy boxes. It's a good measure to keep in mind to ensure your shipment doesn't get damaged. As a package's weight or size increases, the burst and crush rating of the box should too. Let's move on to fillers. To protect the product from moving inside the box, remember to add fillers to your corrugated cardboard box. Bubble wrap is one of the best choices. You can also use foam, packing peanuts, or even balls of newspaper to fill up the empty spaces in a box and ensure that the contents do not move around and get damaged inside the box. Lastly, let's talk about tape. We recommend using high-quality tape that is at least 2 inches wide. You may also use pressure-sensitive plastic tape, water-activated paper tape that is at least 60-pound grade, or water-activated reinforced tape as well. 3. How to package your orders. You can follow a few steps to get your orders ready for delivery. First, place your product in an appropriate sized box. Second, tape the box properly so as to make sure it doesn't open up. Third, once the product is in the box, place the box in a suitably sized packaging bag and seal it shut. Fourth, fold the invoice and place it inside the transparent cover attached to the packaging bag and seal the transparent cover with the invoice inside it. Fifth, tape the shipping label to the packing bag properly. The tape should cover the entire barcode and shipping label so it doesn't get damaged in transit. Ensure barcodes and customer details for all orders are clearly visible so that it can be scanned. Do also ensure that barcodes and customer details are pasted on the largest surface of the packaging. Sixth, make sure that you seal the package by folding the excess area on the sides to make it as small and compact as possible for easy shipping. This reduces the volumetric weight and helps us give you lower shipping costs. Here are some examples of how not to package your orders. Do note, in the case of jewelry, food and bottled items, home decor, beauty and fragrance, and watches and sunglasses, you will need bubble wrap the products with 3 layers of bubble wrap. 4. How to package liquid items. Before cushioning and packaging your liquid products, you need to ensure it's leak-proof. Common leak-proofing techniques include using heat shrink sleeves, taping the bottle cap, using zip locks or leak-proof pouches. 5. How to package special handling items. For items that require special handling, please endure to add labels on the package that tells our delivery partners about its requirement. Common labels may include highly flammable, fragile, keep dry and other such requirements if any. 6. How to package electronics. You will need primary packaging and secondary packaging in the case of electronic items. The secondary packaging's role is to protect the primary packaging from external damages. To start with, close the primary box of your product once placing the product within the box and put angle boards or EPE edge protectors on all the edges of the primary box. Then wrap 3 layers of stretch film around the primary packaging if the product is fragile. Use 2 layers of bubble wrap instead of stretch film or 2 layers of an EPE foam sheet with stretch film. Wrap the primary box with an additional layer of packaging on the fragile side of the product. You can either use bubble wrap or EPE foam. Put a stretch film layer around the foam sheet to keep it intact around the product. All necessary handling symbols should be visible after packaging. If it is not visible, put symbol stickers outside the packaging so it is clearly seen. Finally, strap the box for easy handling and your shipments are ready to go. Now that you know how to package your orders, you're all set to start delivering. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel